I'm probably going to hurt myself
Yeah, I'm not sure
if I
that's
do
a good
that.
idea.
Yeah. But this is crazy.
Whoa. Ready? Mm-hmm. I don't know where to look. Do I look at you?
We know that phone cases are pretty tough, but are they tough enough to withstand an explosion? I'm Lexi Savides from CNET.
I'm Tori Belleci from The Explosion Show, and we're gonna blow some shit up today.
3,
2, 1. Try it again.
We're starting off 2019 with a clear, is it clean slate? Clean slate.
Lots of different opinions with Sony getting, oh, just spat. Sorry, I'm really sorry. I'm like,
This is going well.
How's my hair? How's my hair?
I felt that.
Where was the countdown? Did you get it? No.
Alexa, what's for dinner?
Take it away! Oh, that's so cold!
I hope they don't add filters.
like that.
That's a good dance, actually.
Okay, this is just cruel now. This is just spraying me with water. All right.
Lots and lots of package deliveries.
Nope.
You're looking at what an unlikely. You're looking at what an. Now I can't say it.
Not, sorry, sounded like a dinosaur. 3, 2.
Well, what I mean is like,
Wait, do that again. Because you did something very odd. You're like, it's like,
It's like a yawn.
Yeah.
He was yawning and talking.
wait.
Yeah, we'll riff a little, and then it'll get too long, and you'll tell us to shorten it. So let's start with the long version.
Welcome aboard, Dan.
Thank you, great to be here. Thank you for the video, very nice.
Man, it was very difficult making it look good.
I love it. Don't break it, keep going with
That's
that.
too mean. He's supposed to be an
No,
expert.
I love it.
Okay, fine, I'll do it again.
Strap yourselves in, baby. We're doing the science. Yeah. Science. We're doing the science.
I'm just gonna shoot like a couple of, brain things.
Go for it.
Okay. Let's see.
who's having fun? Aye! This girl.
Cool. I think we're good.
All right, good.
When I start getting those kale farts, it's gonna be real rough.
I only said that because BBG was right there.
Definitely a slower pace than It's a tongue twister. Definitely a slower pace than Definitely a slower play.
Sorry.
Tutorials.
Tutorials.
I heard tutorials. I'm not wearing a tutu today. Wait a minute. All right.
My bad. All right, 3, 2.
It can introduce errors into your DNA, which can cause diseases.
The ending is the hardest part to end where you don't sound dumb.
Yeah.
Like I'm always like, super cool, check it out.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Sorry, one more
So
time.
authentic. He was like, thank you so much. I hate you all.
Why did I have to do the kiss? One more time. I like the wording better, and then I got carried away with the kiss.
I'm Jackson Ryan, and you're watching me swim on CNET.com.